to use Pinterest for personal use. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how we can use Pinterest for your personal use. Also, how to convert your account back to personal one if it's currently set up as a business account. To begin, open your Pinterest application on your mobile device. Typically, your first account will be set up as a personal account. With a personal account, you can create pins, organize them into boards, and customize your profile according to your preferences. However, if you have previously converted your personal account to a business account and now you wish to revert it back to a personal one, follow this step. On the home page of Pinterest, locate and tap on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Click on the three dots at the top of the screen to access additional options. From the menu that appears, select Setting option. Within the Setting menu, click on Account Management. Here you will find Convert to Personal Account option. Simply tap on it. Confirm your decision by clicking on Convert to Personal again. The page will load and your account will successfully convert it back to personal account. Now you can use your Pinterest account for personal use, creating pins, boards, and exploring your interests. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.